emergent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Erie County, West Central Geauga County in northeastern Ohio, Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Medina County in northeastern Ohio, southwestern Lake County in northeastern Ohio, northwestern Summit County in northeastern Ohio, Lorain County, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northwest of Lakewood to near Wickman, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Lorain, Elyria, Willowick, Vermilion, Western Vermilion, Shelton, Parma, Lakewood, Euclid, Cleveland Heights, Strongsville, Brunswick, Westlake, North Royalton, North Ridgeville, Solon, Avon Lake, Willoughby, and Twinsburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Erie, Geauga, Lake, Lorain, Medina, and Summit.
The job is one day. Go to 54.com today.
Come on now. You know what I do.
Crayons are true icons of American childhood. They have been used to encourage creativity and expression in schools and homes.